Hey, does the Bandung Podomoro Kamera shop have any branches?
Yeah, of course.
Anywhere?
Bandung Podomoro cameras currently are available in almost all of Indonesia, starting from small towns to big cities, and we intend to open a new branch on planet Mars.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, it requires a very long journey.
Oh yeah.
So, now what camera do you want to buy?
I just wanted to ask.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah. See you.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Alvin. I'll be broadcasting soon. Maybe.
That person makes me annoyed.